Hello, friends. Thank you so much for reading with me this time. Please like and subscribe. This read is Joel 2:28 through 32. God's Spirit poured out. While you find Joel 2:28, I'll read something to give you time. The prophet Joel cautioned Israel about God's impending judgment for its spiritual complacency and religious neglect. When the people prospered, they abandoned God or minimized the importance of Him in their lives. God's Spirit poured out, and it shall come to pass afterward that I will pour my Spirit on all flesh. Your sons and your daughters shall prophesy. Your old men shall dream dreams. Your young men shall see visions. And also on my manservants and on my maidservants I will pour out my Spirit in those days. And I will show wonders in heavens and in the earth, blood and fire and pillars of smoke. The sun shall be turned into darkness, and the moon into blood, before the coming of the great and awesome day of the Lord. And it shall come to pass that whoever calls on the name of the Lord shall be saved. For in Mount Zion and in Jerusalem there shall be deliverance, as the Lord has said, among the remnant whom the Lord calls. Well, thank you, my friends, so much.